Get out, guys. I just
where's
woke
the body
up.
wash?
Get out. Look at this guy. We're going to test out the tag. It had some issues this weekend, and I wanted to see if it's good so Jake can run it later. So let's see. It's been a while that I don't drive this, but I always driven this and I really like it. So let's check out.
How are you?
How's the suspension in this thing? Like in the back?
The back is really light.
I told you to take it easy.
I did take it easy for 2 laps.
That was full throttle.
Yeah, but of course you have to go for full throttle.
Dude, was she a little loose over the bump?
Yeah.
Yep.
100%. What's the setup in the back? It just.
I see the cords coming out of the side.
You do everything but the tire check?
Woo!
How's that feel, Felipe?
A bit scary. I was going sideways into the wall, but I could hold it. It was okay. It just feels a little bit like it didn't like the bump at all.
The fucking tires were corded over here when you went out, Felipe. You not look at the tires? This one was all corded before you went out. Yeah, it's all corded.
Hey, you saved it though. Good job on
good
saving
save.
it. Yeah.
It was great driving, man.
Yeah. Good
But
save.
most importantly, I got it on film.
I don't know. I thought like adjust the setup for Jake because it won't like the bump at all.
It needs to be softer in the back.
Yeah, and I mean
We'll have to use this
it was the first time that I was going flat out. The other two I went soft to test the car. It was good, fine, but the bump wasn't enough, you know. And I had a higher line because I was low. So, but then I was like, no, dude, we need to go flat out to see what this fucking thing is going to do.
Shit. Yeah, good save.
And now you know.